Hey, what's good everyone? It's Newman here and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to actually set stop loss and take profit on your trade. So I've been receiving a few comments and DMs on this and I thought it would be a good idea to make a video on it. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to watch the video to the end. Try not to skip through the video in order not to miss any important steps as we go. So with that said, let's just get right into it. So as you can see here, I've opened two sell positions on Euro USD, but I haven't set any stop loss or take profit on this. So there are a few ways of doing this. You can select or tap on the trade currently running and then you can see close position, modify position, trade, and so on. So tap on modify position. So over here, in case you've already made your analysis, maybe on trading view, and you have memorized your points, or maybe you're trading signals, right? So your signal provider gives you a stop loss or a take profit. That's where you quickly input your figures and then you go ahead and click on modify. Now the second way of doing this is on your chart right here when your trade is running. So you can see I have a sell at the top. I entered a sell at the top, so I'll just go and tap on it. So here's what happens. You can see we are given SL and TP. So when I press on SL, there's a line that I can drag to whatever position that I want to place it, right? So I'll just drag this here. For the sake of this video, I'll drag this here and then press continue. So it brings you to this same page and then you press modify. So now if I go back and I check my trade, right, you can see we have SL set right there. That's our stop loss set, but I haven't set take profit yet. So just a reminder, this is a demo account that I'm using. Always make sure you know what you are doing before trading with a live account, else you could lose all your money, right? Trading can be very risky, so that's just a short reminder. Now back on the chart, you can see where I have my stop loss. If I tap on it, I can still make adjustments, right? So I'll try and make it very tight so that you see how it plays out in this video, right? So I'll just modify. Let me change the time frame to 15 minutes. This was actually a swing trade, but let's see how it goes. So now I'll go ahead and set take profit, right? So you just tap on TP, you see the green line, that's your take profit. So I'm just going to drag it right below there, press continue. Now you can see our take profit has just been added right there. So I'll modify. Now here on the second position, you can see we now have our SL and TP all set, right? So I'll just wait for that to play out. In the meantime, if you're enjoying this video or you are learning anything new, do well to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I make simple tutorial videos on how to trade forex and also cryptocurrencies, so make sure you're subscribed. Now we just hit our TP here a few minutes ago. You can see now the trade has been closed exactly at the point where we have the blue arrow. So I'll go back to the trade section so you see. Now we only have one trade running, right? This one we did not set any stop loss or take profit. So at the history, you can see the last trade that we took. This was the one that just closed. We actually hit our TP and we made $6.96. So that's it, guys. This is how you set your stop loss and your take profit in a trade. And as always, stay blessed and I'll see you in the next one.